Hey, today's project is thresholds. We're coating them, cutting them to size, and gluing them down to keep moisture penetration from happening. A couple different things about thresholds, depending on who you get your information from. But originally, back in the old days, they used thresholds to hold the thresh in the building. They would use the thresh from the straw inside their building, inside their little mud houses, and they would have a threshold to hold it in. Anyway, there's one version of the story. So it appears to be working. We got 3 drops of rain in Arizona. Here's something a little interesting. That's an electric box. Might be a safety violation, I'm not quite sure. Well, it gets better than that. Happy Wednesday, everyone. There's our job site power, part of it, underwater. Place is falling apart. Little shower in Arizona it's just flooding. I just chuckle at this stuff. I spent 20 years in Washington State. I know what rain is. Half the job site shut down today. Here's another one. Ritz-Carlton, Paradise Valley. There's a daily report for you. I've written up these safety violations already, but we're just the door guys. That's all we ever do is just doors. And the thresholds work. They'll keep the water out, except for when it's leaking inside the room. Then it keeps the water in. Happy Wednesday, Patriots.